Hey, what's up guys, Venkat here. Welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you the best to-do list app out there. So let's get started. Sadly, this app is just available for iOS devices. If you have an Android, I'm going to be linking some apps similar to this in the description box below, so check it out. So the app I'm going to be showing you is called the Minimalist app, and I'm going to be sharing the screen right here, phone screen right here, so you can see how to use the app and know more about the app itself. So when you open the app, it's called Minimalist. I'll open again for you. So when you open the app, you can see the Minimalist logo, and you get right into the to-do list page. So these are my to-do list. I just tried recording this video like over 5 times and I didn't make it. I'm recording again, so you can see some random things. So if you want to, so this is a main home screen, and if you want to add something to your list, and so you have to pull down and type something like make a video on minimalist app. So I have made the list. I have added one thing to do, and if you want to strike it off, like if you completed, you have to strike it off, right? So if you want to strike it off, then you have to swipe like this, and if you swipe like this, that's gonna strike it off, and the thing goes down at the bottom, and you're gonna not see that. And if you want to undo this action, you just have to swipe once again, so it comes back up. And if you want to delete this to-do list, you have the particular thing you want to delete, you have to half swipe it like this, half swipe it and click delete. And if you want to delete in this way, you can also delete, like you have to full swipe it to delete it. And if you want to edit it, you just have to half swipe it and go to the editing section, editing button, and type whatever you want again and save it. And if you want to see your browsing history, not browsing history, like your to-do list history, you have to pull up, and you can see all the things like according to the date even. And if you those are the pretty much the main features of the phone, main features and good features of the phone. And if you want to get into focus mode, that's a feature on this app. You have to tap on your thing to do, and you just have to set some timer, and you just have to set your music and start it. So it's gonna sound like this, and you also get a warning like put your iPhone down and go back to work. I'm gonna be showing you the sounds it can produce. It can produce some really good nature sounds I'm gonna be showing to you. And you can pause it. By the way, the last one was my favorite. And you can continue or end right here, and you can mark it as complete or just give it up. So that's a really cool features, I feel, because if you listen to nature sounds and other sounds like this in this app, you're gonna get focused, and it's gonna improve your focus actually. So it's a good thing. And these are settings. The main reason I'm recommending this app to you is because one, it's free, one, it's very simple to use, like literally any age person can use it, and very simple and effective. So it has a bunch of settings, and this is a free trial, free version I'm using. It also has a paid version, premium version. You can upgrade it to premium, and it's $4.99. I'm going to show it to you. So there are some useful features that you're gonna get if you in the premium. If you want to, so Minimalist Forever, it's loading because I off the net. And so Minimalist Forever, it's $4.99 per forever, and pay monthly it's 39 rupees per month, and 7 days free. It's 7 days free. Also you can select the free option, or you can pay $369 per year. If you want to upgrade it to premium version, might as well go to if you want to upgrade it to premium version, might as well go to the VIP version, 499 rupees once. So you can, so the important features of the premium version is the sync list all across devices. So if you can sync it on different devices, share list with others. You cannot share with this free version. And custom themes and font, I'm going to be showing that. Location based reminder means like if you go home, it's going to show you the reminder based on your home, based on your location, right? That is home. And multiple lists, those are that is a really cool feature. Like if you want to have a business to-do list, and if you want to have a personal to-do list and shopping cart list or anything like that, you're going to need multiple lists if you want. And touch ID, this is like the reason that you want to upgrade. If you want to have privacy, and if you don't need to other people to see, if you don't need that. And voice input, you can also voice input that. And custom ringtones and list wallpapers, there are wallpapers that you're gonna get if you are in the premium versions but not in the free version. And theme and font, it's the same thing. There are 3 themes, and you can change the font color, you can change the background color like this, and you can change it to aqua or warm or white. That's what available for the free version. And font color, you can select anything. And font size, these are the things that you're gonna get in the only premium version if you upgrade to premium version. And the sound, you're gonna get custom ringtones on this. So you can do that. You can set some sounds. And language, there are many languages like German, Spanish, Japanese, Chinese, and English, French, German, all that things if you want. And app icon badge, these are something like that are not needed for me. And cloud sync, you can sync into the cloud. Calendar sync, you can sync it to your calendar. Touch ID, you can enable touch ID. And daily reminder, you can set a time to remind to you daily. Like I have set it to 9 a.m. to schedule my list. So you can set it up like 6 a.m. or 7 a.m. whenever you wake up. And screen on always is something like it will be on forever, and you can just see that without opening anything. And sorting option, date created, you can sort a reminder time or something like that, and all the things. And you get tutorial. This is an important thing if you start using a app, because first of all, even when I used the app, I didn't know how to use the app, and so it was a problem. But when I found the tutorial, it explains very quickly and easily. So you can do all the things. It can show all the things, and all the things that you need to do in the app. And review in the app store, share with friend, and contact us. And these are the things I mentioned, right? And these are the things that you have done. These are the to-do list that you have striked it off. And the another feature is that it's a minor feature, but another feature is that if you shake the device, like if you shake the device and confirm it, the striked off to-do tasks go into this thing. And those are the features. I recommend if you are very particular about it, and if you want to create multiple lists, and if you want to have touch ID on your app, then by the way, the best is go with the premium version, 499 forever. I think it's worth it, because it is a really good app. And if you don't want it, it's fine with the free version. I'm using it free version for like 1 month, and this is my favorite app, and it's even in the dock of my app phone. So I like this app. And there are a couple of other apps like Google Keep and Ring. I didn't use that much. I used Google Keep, but it is just for me to record ideas, and to type ideas, to store ideas. But the to-do list, this is the best app I have tried on to-do list. So this is basically the simplest app I have ever seen, and it's really good. Just download it and use it, and you will know why it is really good. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and share it with your friends because it might help them. And check out all the videos on my channel, and thank you so much for watching. Peace.